Hi, Victoria here from La Creative Mama. La Creative Mama is a blog that is dedicated to spreading the message of sustainable crafts and natural dyeing and eco printing so that you can create, upcycle, design and print and color your fabrics, your yarns in natural and sustainable ways. So today I'm here to introduce you to La Creative Mama Natural Dyeing Manual. And this manual will teach you the step-by-step process, the step-by-step La Creative Mama method, which is a step-by-step process that I created so that you can create natural dyeing colors as the ones that you can see here in a very easy way. So the idea is that you can create a whole color palette using natural dyes, different types of natural dyes. Some of them are food dyes, such as this one. This is onion. Some of them are cultivated dyes. This is goldenrod, which in some countries it grows as a weed. I grow it in my garden because I love it. This is not that one. This is madderwood, which I get it from a friend's farm, but otherwise you can purchase. This is cochineal. This is acorn, which has been modified. These beautiful different types of purples come from logwood. This is different silks and cottons and linens. Depending on which kind of fabric you use, the type of color that you get. This is another intensity of madder, as you can see. So these are madder roots. This is eucalyptus, for example, one type of eucalyptus. So as you can see, there's a whole variety of colors that can be achieved. These are all from avocado and onions. So this manual will teach you the step-by-step. Even though I only go through a few natural dye tutorials inside this manual, the whole idea is that you learn the method and you learn the actual process that you need to take. So after you learn the method, which is a real framework, then you've got this framework to fall back on, and then you can go off and experiment on your own. But this is like a first pot of call for natural dyers who are beginners, or for those dyers that haven't had very good results yet. So if you're interested, so I'll quickly show you. It's a 50+ page manual. These are all the step-by-steps, all the processes, all my method. And as you can see, the step-by-step tutorials. It's great to print out. I put it in a binder. It's great to print out like this and have it by your side when you are doing all the processes. It also comes with a workbook. So this is a fantastic thing to have because you really need to be documenting everything that you do. Otherwise, then you will forget. So this is another great resource that comes with a bundle. I've been teaching natural dyeing and eco printing techniques for over a decade now. So I only teach what has worked for me and what has worked for my students. And all the colors that you see here, they've been created for a while back, and they're all as bright as they were 2, 5, 6, 7 years ago. This sampler, if you've been following me for a while, you would have seen this sampler. This sampler was created 11 years ago now. So as you can see, the colors are still quite intense. The colors are here to stay. This is madder in different intensities. This is the logwood. This is the cochineal. This is alkanite, madder again. And these are all a variety of different browns that you can get from other dyes. So if you're interested in learning my step-by-step methodology, grab this bundle, which the main protagonist of the natural dye bundle is this manual, but there's like a whole lot of other resources. I grabbed some resources from the big course that we sell, the Natural Dyeing Ultimate course. So there's a couple of like little bonuses in there for you, just to get a taste and just for you to start creating magic with natural dyeing and just seeing and experimenting what's actually available to you when you start using natural dyes. Okay, see you inside.